100 degrees. 100. Alright, let's see if I can dash now. Okay, resume. Alright, I just started my dash. It was taking so long, so I ran into Walmart to get, you know, a book bag. One of my kids needed a book bag. And as I was out this self-checkout, I seen a wallet like sitting where you bag your stuff. 10 miles, no. And I look up and the people that were just leaving that self-checkout, like the dude had a red hat and there was 3 guys. So I was like, I scanned myself so fast and I ran out. They were like deep in the end of the parking lot, so I like ran to them. I was like, bro, like you left your wallet. And he's like, oh my god. Because I didn't want to have to take it back into Walmart, you know, like they might not do the right thing. But we found the guy. All right, $8 for 10 miles. I'm not gonna do that one. I did just accept a DoorDash order, but I mean, it's McDonald's. It's a McFlurry. Like, you don't know until you accept the order, and then I drove here, and then it's a McFlurry and a meal. Y'all know I don't like delivering ice cream, but it's only 2 miles, so let's just do it. Hello. Hi. Are you here for pickup? 2326.
Okay, none of these maybe we're working on.
Okay.
Now serving 223.
Alright, moment of truth. Call customer and arrange drop-off location. I think that just means they ordered through the app, through the McDonald's app, and DoorDash is dropping it off. But it looks like a house. This car next to me is like on, and nobody's in it. We got an Uber. Uber is blowing me up. Check out this order I declined. Like, what is up with this Uber app? Uber has always been so good in my area. It always outshined the DoorDash orders. But what is this? I left at the door. It let me take a picture. I knocked and like there was a ring cam. I said thank you and walked away because it says contactless, so I figured I'm not going to stand there and wait for them. I just got off the phone with my husband and I told him about what happened at Walmart. Like, I seen a wallet, I seen the person, the group of people who left from that area, and I returned it to them. Like, go me. Good deed of the day. I felt so good doing that. They were so happy. They're like, oh my god, yeah, that was mine, oh my god. And I'm telling him, and he says, don't do that again. Next time, give the wallet to a worker. Because what if it was like a setup and they're waiting for some female to come all the way at the end of the parking lot? I mean, there were cars around. They weren't like by themselves. I don't know. But I was just focused on doing this good deed, getting the wallet back to the owner. And you know what? He is right. Like, that could have went bad. That wasn't in my head though. I was just focused on the mission at hand. It could have went sideways. I mean, it was 3 guys, but I mean, that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Even if it's a female, don't trust nobody. So, I mean, it turned out good. So yeah, I'm happy, like my good deed of the day, but also it's like, oh shit, you need to be thinking about things, you know, all the time. All right, we got some smoothie action. This one is for $6.50, but it's only a couple miles. This is the lowest I will take. You're staying there, okay. $6.50 because there is potential for a hidden tip. And destination will be on the left. And even if there's not, it's still a good pay per mile ratio. All right, it's only 2 drinks, so I don't expect it to go any higher than the $6.50. Yes. What's the name? Alright, I got the goods. thumbnail, maybe not. But I don't have a cup holder, which is fine. I'll make room. Leave at door, and she gave me the gate code. It stayed at $6.50, and I'm turning Uber Eats back on. Hey, we got a $10 4.8 miles at Pizza Hut on Uber Eats. I do have my mileage tracker already on. I use the Solo app. If you don't know, I am partnered with Solo. They have so many features in the app. They have automatic mileage tracking. You could track your income across all the gig apps that you link your account with, and they will break down your net income after you put in your mileage and your expenses. It will give you the real number of your profits, not just the number you see on not just the number you see on your gig apps. They also help you calculate your taxes throughout the year. And in some areas, if you sign up for the subscription, which there is a 14-day free trial, and you could test out the smart scheduling with guaranteed earnings in your area, if it is available in your area. So go to this description box, check it out, see if any of these features work for you. This bird is so annoying. Tomorrow is the first day of school, and I do think that the apps are going to pick up within the next week, and there's bird poop on my car. And when it does, I'm going to be delivering full-time. Like right now I'm kind of part-time because I got other things to do, but I'm going to start delivering full-time. Look at this one in the trip radar. 390. 11 miles. And somebody took it. Somebody took it. Y'all are crazy. Boom. Is it? That is it. This shows 26 items. 6 nacho cheese and 17 mild sauce. That's why. I was like, that's a lot of items. So that's gonna be my last order. It's getting to almost 3 o'clock where it's slow until about 4:35. So that's it for me. I mean, I wish I could deliver more, but school is starting, so therefore I will be able to get back to my, you know, full-time schedule where I just deliver all day. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.